Alright everyone, we're revisiting Bolt Wash in Taylorsville with the DNSs, and
nice.
We'll go for the middle one.
Okay.
Because last time we did that one, and yeah.
And did we do that other one on the end before?
Yeah, that one's a DNS Quicksilver, and it sucks!
Oh, there you go.
So, yeah, and while this dude is going through the car wash, I'm gonna
do a walkthrough?
Yeah, do a walkthrough of the two other bays.
Okay.
So, I'll see you guys in a second to do that. Okay, so here is the signage. Here's the pay station. You can hear the pump in there. It's like a small garage.
To purchase a wash, insert money, enter a code, recharge a code.
It actually like introduced me. I've never seen that on one of those Exactos before, but here's the outdoor signage. Here's the Quicksilver, got the undercarriage. And then actually, here's the hydraulic motor for the drive system. Here's the side of a Quicksilver. There's the sign. The other sign, Pico Dryers, Bug Buster and Treadle. So now let's walk through the Odyssey that is not in use. I'm not gonna stop the recording because, I don't know, I don't feel like it. That tri-foam smells really good. Anyway, here's the other one. Here's this undercarriage. No idea what the heck all of these things are. Road rage. Here's the machine. Rear brushes. Yeah. And then the side of that. And then the dryers. I'm not gonna walk farther in it because reasons. So, whoa! Glad that I didn't. What the heck is going on with these always turning on me? Okay. Well, that happened. This coin bin is destroyed. The top brush is actually dragging on his car. Well, on his roof rack. Right, well, I'm gonna wait. Alright, now to walk through this one. Pay station, everything is the same. Same goes for the outside signage. Everything's basically the same. Same undercarriage, same brushes, same color scheme, same machine, all that. Same side, same signage, same dryers. So, and same dryer timer. So, let's go check it out now. taking a while. This is the Rain-X, I'm pretty sure. And if I'm correct, next will be the spot free rents. one wash, well done. All right, so how would you rate it?
I liked it. Did a good job.
I agree. It was great.
Lots of passes with brushes. It was great.
Yes, I like it too. I would say 10 out of 10 on that one.
Awesome. All right. Well, way to go, Bolt Wash.
Yes.
Way to keep impressing us.
And also their second location, which is, I don't know, a mile or two down the street, they're actually getting new manual equipment.
Yes. Oh, and these guys have switched to coin. Well, they do coinless now too, so that makes it really convenient.
Yeah. So that's the car wash. Great car wash, Bolt. You're really keeping it up well. So yeah, that is the car wash. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. That'll be it.